Welcome back, Rana here. KIN170, the white magnetic dog. The beginning of the way spell of the white dog. The power of love, especially of self-love, the power of the heart. All those spirit helpers that surround us and support us, and also our soulmates that help us on our path and that are here to work together with us on projects we had signed up before we came here. Let's see. Isis is here already. Let's see where it goes. The cards will be different than in the German reading. Angels among us. Let's see who's coming through. Not all are different. Archangel Azrael. Death and rebirth. New beginnings. Life changes. Transmissions. Whenever you are in a process of transition, you can call upon Archangel Azrael. Let's see. What is this transition about? Oops. Soulcraft. Maybe your soul came here to work on something, to create something. Look at all the light that comes in here. Be assured you will be successful with this craft, and may it just be something that you perceive as small. Go for it. It's a wise decision. And Archangel Uriel, emotions, healing, devotion, integrated. Ask Archangel Uriel to help you to stay devoted to your soul craft, to what your soul came here to create. It will be worth it. One card to close out from the Rose Oracle. I'm feeling this one. Whispers of Mother Earth. Again, creativity, ideas, inspiration, artist, writer, channel. Something wants to be birthed, wants to be created. Wish you a wonderful day. Thank you for your likes and comments. Namaste.